Hello everyone, welcome to Droid channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the ringtone in your Samsung Galaxy S24 phone. Now what you have to do first is go to your settings app. From here scroll down a bit and then tap on sounds and vibration. Now in here tap on ringtone. Now you can select any ringtone that you like from here, so just try them on and then see which one you like best. And once you find one that you like, all you need to do is just go back and that ringtone will be set. Now from here you can also set custom ringtone or a song as a ringtone. All you need to do is just tap on this plus icon here and then select the song or the custom ringtone that you like, and then you can set that song as your ringtone. Now in here you can also set the ringer volume, how loud you want. If you want it loud, you move the slider to the right. If you want it less loud, you move it to the left. And if you want vibration, you can enable this option. And that is how you can change ringtone or set custom ringtone in your Samsung Galaxy S24 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.